One fine day, I get a call from my co-founder, Shane Fox, and he asked me, Vishal, I'm trying to build something in additive. Do you want to join hands? And first question I ask him is, why can't my software talk to machines? Everything is interconnected, and why are we not able to send jobs to machines directly? And there was no answer. The industry was not there yet. This is back in 2016. LINK3D is an additive manufacturing execution system, allowing for a connected digital thread and a connected ecosystem, helping our customers solve mission-critical problems on additive factory floor.
LINK3D provides a software-as-a-service solution to a host of industry segments such as aerospace, defense, oil and gas, even the consumer market, automotive. Basically, the organizations that are in highly regulated industries. LINK3D provides that end-to-end infrastructure that enables the capturing, the managing, and the reporting of the quality data associated with the manufacturing of the parts going through their operations. Because at the end of the day, our customers are really looking for our software solution to enable their ROI.
The engagement model that we use at LINK3D allows our partners' teams to come alongside LINK3D and prepare their teams for change. They have to understand and align the resources all the way up to executive sponsors and down to the finest users that things are going to change, and they have to embrace both the systems, the people, and the process changes that are coming.
The key challenge today is the space is fragmented. There is no unified, connected software provider which is trying to connect and bring all the players together. And LINK3D has taken that responsibility on itself to bring the machine OEMs in one room, to bring the software providers in one room so that we can provide a connected ecosystem, which is the key thing that the industry needs to move away from these siloed softwares.
We work with our customers to create lasting partnerships that are built on trust, that are built on a level of transparency, that they recognize that we're there for them and with them, not just today, but for the life of the partnership that we're ultimately creating.
In the next 3 to 5 years, the additive manufacturing ecosystem in terms of software will grow a lot. So with this union of materialized technology with LINK3D, I think it will bring unprecedented level of workflow automation. It will provide a connected digital thread, and it will truly accomplish end-to-end data feedback loop, leading to further efficiencies and shortened design of experiment and faster NPI cycles.
So our software is great, but it's the people that make it better. And that's what makes LINK3D great.